Hello guys, today we would like to show you how to work of 2500 watt portable laser welding machine to weld different material. Now we can show you the mild steel with 8 thickness, 7.9 thickness. Then we can show to adjust the parameters. Here is the laser power, and this is the weld frequency, and this is the weld diameter. According to 7.9 thickness mild steel, we adjust the 16 laser power based on 2 kilowatt 500, and frequency we can adjust 30. The weld diameter you can support the 3 millimeter. Okay, this is the safety clamp. When laser weld is working, we have to clamp the metal, and this is the metal table. Okay, we can see the weld result with